2 weeks after San Diego Unified announced a COVID vaccine mandate, a lawsuit has been filed against the district. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Carlo Cicchetto.
I'm Marcella Lee. Let Them Choose, an initiative of the anti-mask Let Them Breathe group, is behind this lawsuit. They say vaccine mandates are unnecessary.
News 8's Kirsten Holmes was at their announcement this morning. She joins us live with details. Kirsten?
You know, as we all shift into the next phase of this COVID-19 pandemic, vaccine mandates are being implemented all across the country and right here in San Diego. And one group we talked to today say those mandates are going too far.
This lawsuit is really to protect families' choice, and so we're not taking a stand one way or the other on the vaccine.
Sharon McKeeman is the founder of Let Them Breathe, and their newest initiative is Let Them Choose. She says they're advocating for choice.
We don't want any families to be coerced into this medical decision, and we're very confident that the judge is going to address this in a timely manner because it's obviously a firm deadline that's very urgent.
Jackie has a son in San Diego Unified. She believes in not having a vaccine mandate so much so that she has now been reassigned by her employer after vaccine mandates were implemented at the hospital for which she works.
I'm a pediatric registered nurse, and I've advocated for my patients' medical autonomy for years. And even though I'm no longer in the hospital setting, I will continue to advocate as a nurse for medical autonomy, specifically those of our community's children.
The latest Politico Harvard poll show, although it's close, most adults favor a vaccine mandate for school kids, with 54% supporting the move and 45% opposing the idea. However, a Quinnipiac poll found that 68% of Americans with kids under the age of 18 say they do not think that students should be required to get vaccinated against the virus, while 30% support the vaccine mandate for kids. Sharon says she's advocating for what she thinks is right.
Vaccinated and unvaccinated standing together for choice. No one should be shamed over if they wear a mask or not. Everyone should have the right to vaccinate, mask, or unmask, or remain unvaccinated.
Public health is not an issue of personal choice, and to make choices that endanger your neighbors and your community is not a reasonable choice. And we've always had vaccine mandates for school, and this is no different.
Andrea Lehman has kids in San Diego Unified School District, and she says she supports the vaccine requirement.
I think it's long overdue, and I'd like to see it go down to age 12 for everybody whose vaccines are available. We've just reached over 6 million pediatric COVID cases in this country, and we're not getting a handle on it. It makes no sense to group together the one group that there's no vaccines for and not put protections around them.
Sharon, the founder of Let Them Breathe and Let Them Choose, does not have children in the San Diego Unified School District. She says that she chose SDUSD because of its wider-reaching impact.
Kirsten, has San Diego Unified shared any reaction to this lawsuit?
Actually, we reached out to San Diego Unified School District, and they are unable to comment on pending litigation.
All right, we'll have to see how the issue plays out in court. Thanks, Kirsten.